How to download embedded videos from any website without any problem or with a simple step I'm going to show you in this video. To do this, watch the video till the end and understand the steps I will show you and perform it on your PC, and then you will be able to download any embedded video on any website. Method 1 is download directly from website. There are specific embedded videos which are easily downloadable. For instance, if the video on the website is an MP4 format, then the video can be installed without much hassle like saving a picture online. Now, follow the simple steps below to download the video. Simply have to click on right click of your mouse and then click on the save video as option here on your PC on any video you will click at. Now choose the download option on your device and select the place where you want to save the video and then enter and save the button. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe to the channel.